Welcome to school too. School too.
Who is chasing you now?
Hey, I was at home. You know, peace. Eh?
Peace. That's all about guys.
I was at home. Peace just called me and said I should come and see her.
Please call you, say you should come and see her.
I'm going to her house now. She said I should come and see her.
Hey, this lady is calling you. That means she's ready to do.
She said, come to the house. Eh? That I should come to the house. That's where I'm going to now. Because
Please, say you should come to her house.
hey, lucky me, see me now. See me. Who am I?
Hey. Wait, so you are going to her place now?
I'm going now.
That means nobody is at home.
Today. Said that there's nobody at home.
You know the way they call you like this, that means she's fully ready.
No. Even me too are ready.
Hope you are with condom.
Condom.
Oh, hey! You are bad, yeah. You are four. You sabi 4 person, huh? If you are going to this camp, you have to go with condom. Get a pack. You know, prepare yourself with bullets and everything, so that if they invite you, that means she's ready.
You know you can be prosecuted for that. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do many. Do you know what? Is it here? Chai!
Wow.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Have you come inside? That time you called me now, you know there's no bike in the morning in this area, so I had to start running.
Yeah, don't worry. Come, I would like you to help me and do something.
You like me to help you and do something? Is anybody at home?
Don't worry, okay?
Hey.
Don't worry. You're looking good though.
Thank you.
What? Phone call?
Abari, meet my boyfriend.
Yo, Maniko, how you do?
Never mind.
Yeah.
Abari, my boyfriend is finding it difficult to understand
John 3:16. Maniko.
You know, he just come back from abroad and he's just finding it difficult to understand this version of Bible, John 3:16. Can you help and explain things more better to him?
Phone call?
Help him.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
What John 3:16 is all about?
Yo, John 3:16, man.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Explain to him now. Are you not my friend again?
Is it because of John 3:16 you called me and said I should come?
Yo, my nigga, John 3:16. For God so loved the world. Say my woman. How am I supposed to love the world? So back in United States.
Oh my days, you are more worried to your long.
You're my friend and you can do it for me. Just
I was running. People were asking me, where you dey run go? Where you dey run go? I was running.
Oh, I don't know too much. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? May God not allow them, let them kill you.
No, Nami fuck up.
School too.